How to solder without tweezers. Prepare the knife soldering iron tip. First, apply a small amount of solder to the PCB. There's residual solder on the soldering iron tip. Attach both ends of the component to the soldering iron tip. Heat the solder on the pad to melt it, while placing the resistor on the pad. Let's solder a few more using this way. After the solder cools, they're soldered. This is my first time trying to solder without tweezers. I need to practice more. I think this will improve my soldering efficiency. Remove excess solder. Inspect the connections under the digital microscope. I think they are qualified. What do you think of this method? Thanks for your watching.